In April 2025, the Royal Australian Air Force conducted the first field trial of the MQ-28A Ghost Bat combat drone outside the Woomera test range. The trial took place at RAAF Base Tindal in the Northern Territory during Exercise Carlsbad. Until now, the MQ-28A had only been operated within South Australia. The exercise marked a significant step toward the platform's operational deployment. On June 16th, Boeing Defence Australia reported a mission in which an E-7A Wedgetail aircraft coordinated two MQ-28A drones in an attack on a simulated target. While the exact timing of the mission hasn't been disclosed, it's likely that it took place as part of the Carlsbad exercise. Successful completion of Exercise Carlsbad at Royal Australian Air Force Base Tindal in April 2025 marks a key milestone in advancing the MQ-28A capability. Developed jointly by Boeing Defence Australia and the Royal Australian Air Force as part of a collaborative combat aircraft program. During Exercise Carlsbad, the focus was placed on testing the MQ-28A's airframe, payloads, and advanced onboard software under live conditions. This provided critical data for further development and refinement of the system. The exercise confirmed that the Ghost Bat can be rapidly deployed and integrated into different bases, highlighting its flexibility and the viability of supporting Royal Australian Air Force missions across various theaters. The MQ-28A Ghost Bat is an advanced autonomous combat aircraft developed by Boeing Defence Australia in partnership with the Royal Australian Air Force. It is Australia's first indigenously designed combat aircraft in over half a century and is built as a collaborative combat aircraft to operate both independently and alongside manned platforms such as the F-35A Lightning II, F/A-18F Super Hornet, and E-7A Wedgetail. With a length of approximately 11.7 meters, a wingspan of 7.3 meters, and a range exceeding 3,700 kilometers, the Ghost Bat is engineered for multiple roles including surveillance, electronic warfare, intelligence gathering, and strike support. Technically, the MQ-28A incorporates a modular design architecture, enabling rapid reconfiguration of payloads tailored to mission-specific requirements. A single jet engine powers the aircraft and uses a stealth-optimized airframe with a reduced radar cross-section to enhance survivability in high-threat environments. Its internal payload bay can house sensors, electronic warfare equipment, or precision-guided munitions depending on the operational scenario. The Ghost Bat also includes secure data link systems to facilitate cooperative mission execution with manned and unmanned assets. Key features of the MQ-28A include a mission-adaptable configuration, digital twin integration for AI-driven simulation and testing, and a cutting-edge mission autonomy engine capable of independent threat analysis and decision-making. It is designed to support and extend the operational reach of existing Royal Australian Air Force fighter fleets, effectively acting as a force multiplier while significantly reducing the risk to human pilots. The development of the MQ-28A began in 2019 under Boeing's Air Power Teaming System initiative, with early prototypes built and tested under tight timelines and extensive collaboration with the Australian Defence Force. The first flight occurred in February 2021, just 2 years after the project was publicly announced. This rapid progression was made possible by advanced digital engineering and simulation techniques. Since its debut, the program has matured through successive phases of flight testing, software updates, and mission simulations, positioning it as one of the most advanced autonomous air combat programs outside the United States. The collaborative combat aircraft concept marks a revolutionary evolution in air warfare. Unlike traditional uncrewed aerial vehicles that rely on direct remote control, a collaborative combat aircraft like the Ghost Bat is designed to act as an intelligent teammate to crewed fighters, making autonomous decisions, adapting to dynamic battlefield environments, and supporting the execution of missions such as infrared search and tracking, electronic attack, and kinetic engagement. These systems can fly ahead of manned aircraft to draw enemy fire, conduct early reconnaissance, and deliver effects deep into contested zones, while preserving the survivability of human operators. For the Royal Australian Air Force, the integration of collaborative combat aircrafts through platforms like the MQ-28A offers transformative benefits. It enables a more distributed, survivable force posture, reduces the risks to human life in high-threat environments, and provides a scalable means of enhancing air power without the prohibitive costs of acquiring and maintaining a larger manned fleet. Additionally, it facilitates greater interoperability with allied forces, particularly the United States, by aligning with shared doctrines of manned-unmanned teaming. As of 2025, the MQ-28A continues to undergo systematic testing in both live and digital environments. The success of Exercise Carlsbad demonstrated the aircraft's operational readiness and reinforced its role as a core asset in Australia's evolving defence capability. With its pioneering design, indigenous innovation, and integration of artificial intelligence, the Ghost Bat stands at the forefront of the Royal Australian Air Force's future force structure, representing not just a new aircraft, but a new era of autonomous and collaborative combat power. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel and stay informed.